Last 15 seconds for our third quarter. Mr. Santiago Pumabasal, Pumabasal. Pumabasal, Luzon. Yes! Pumabasal. 55-57. Pumabasal. Santiago. Para may tawag. Warning for penalty. First ball. Third down and warning for penalty. Team protection. Last 35 seconds. Santa Cruz. Okay, last 29 seconds now. Last chance before practice.
Kaya mo lang. Shit! Oh, shoot!
That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for condition. Sublet. Mariana coming out. Piano. Kami. Kailangan penalty. Both teams penalty.
Oh,
Strong defense sa Kabasan. 58-57. Strong for Kabasan. Sa pagalan. Okay, 57. Last over is the Kabasan. Sa 57-60. Last 15 seconds on the second half. Last 10 to shoot. Last 5 seconds. Pero, wala, 2. Time! 57-60 in favor of Team